जय माँ भारती समाचार के लिए ब्रह्मांड के भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार channel from the international world. Monaco is a sovereign city-state contained micro-state on the France Riviera in Western Europe. It is bordered by France to the north, east and west, and by the Mediterranean Sea to the south. The principality is home to 38,682 residents, of which 9,486 are Monégasque nationals, and is widely recognized for being one of the most expensive and wealthiest places in the world. Country on the LSE, the proof of China, India said it is not true. Education. The companies for campus placement this year 2009-23 CS students give job. Environment. The 2020 California wildfire season is a series of ongoing wildfires that are burning across the state of California. The season is a part of the 2020 Western United States wildfire. As of September 28, 2020, a total of 8,136 fires have burned 4.76 million acres, more than 4.7% of the state's roughly 100 million acres of land, making 2020 the largest wildfire season recorded in California history, according to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection. Invention. A washing machine is a home appliance used to wash laundry. The term is most applied to machines that use water as opposed to dry cleaning alternative cleaning fluids, and is performed by a specialist businessman or ultrasonic cleaners. Great person. Gajanan Maharaj was an Indian Hindu guru, saint and mystic. He is often believed to be an incarnation of the Hindu deities Dattatreya or Ganesha. His origin remain uncertain. He first reappeared Shagon of village in Buldana district, Maharashtra, as a young man in his 20s, probably during February 1878. He breathed his last on 8th September 1910 by attaining Sajivan Samhita, which is thought to be a process of voluntary withdrawal from one physical body. This death of Samadhi is commemorated every year as part of the Sri Punyaniti Utsav. The festivals of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Raksha Bandhan, Holi, Akhatis, Navratri, Christmas, Eid-e-Milad, Baras. Baras is a tribal festival celebrated by the locals of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. It can be compared to Diwali celebration held across the country. This festival is held during September. Crops. Barley, a member of the grass family, is a Mesa cereal grain grown in temperate climates globally. It was one of the first cultivated grains, particularly in Eurasia, as early as 10,000 years ago. Barley has been used as animal food, as a source of fundamental material for beer and certain distilled beverages, and as a component of various health food. It is used in soups and stews and in barley bread of various cultures. Fruits. Blackcurrant, also known as cashew, is a woody shrub in the family Grosseilleraceae. Grown for its berries, it is native to temperate parts of Central and Northern Europe and Northern Asia, where it prefers damp, fertile soils and is widely cultivated both commercially and domestically. Flowers. The garden pansy is a type of flowered hybrid plant cultivated as a garden flowered. It is derived by hybridization from several species in the section millennium of the genus Bollia, particularly Viola tricolored, a wildflower of Europe and Western Asia, known as hearties. Yoga. Sitali Pranayam is the way of relaxing, cooling body-mind system through yogic breathing. The technique of breathing is one of the 8 classical pranayam mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, especially used in yoga for motioning your systems and reduces any illnesses in it. Universe Block Peak is a peak 2,770 meters, standing 4 nautical miles northwest of Magan Nonatak in the Grosvenor Mountains. It was discovered by Rear Admiral Byrd of the Byrd Antarctic Expedition flight to the South Pole in November 1929 and named by him for William Block, son of Paul Block, who was a patron. The 6 trigonometric identities for any triangle are: the 6 ratios are sine, cosine, tangent, quotient, secant and cosine. Ayurveda. Chicory, common chicory, is a somewhat woody perennial herbaceous plant of the Dandelion family, Asteraceae, usually with bright blue flower, rarely white or pink. Many varieties are cultivated for salad, leaves, chicones or roots, which are baked, ground and used as a coffee substitute and food additive. Williston Vishnupayag is one of the Punch Payag of Alaknanda and lies at the confluence of Alaknanda River and Daulinga River in Chamoli district in the state of Uttarakhand. Vishnupayag derived from its names from Vishnu. According to Hindu scriptures, it is the Vishnu sees Narada meditated, after which Vishnu appeared before him. It is near to Tag Vishnu Lake. Today's event, Orange Thursday in Canada, International Translation Day in International Federation of Transistor. Independence Day in Botswana. Weather news in Bihar. The some district there is alert of minimum rain. Today's temperature in Patna 25 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 25 degrees Celsius. Gilgit-Baltistan, formerly known as the Northern Areas, is a region administered by Pakistan as an administrative territory and constituting the northern portion of the larger Kashmir region, which has been the subject of a dispute between India and Pakistan since 1947 and between India and China from somewhat later. It is the northernmost territory administered by Pakistan. Its border Azad Kashmir to the south, the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to the west, the Bakhan corridor of the Afghanistan. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.